How to verify UnoCoin account KYC process. Are you guys facing issues to verify Uno account KYC process? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Now, to verify your Uno account, look at the right bottom of your screen. Choose KYC. First, enter your PAN number and upload a clear picture of your PAN card. Then, take a selfie while holding the same PAN card near your face. Make sure your face and the card details are clearly visible. After that, enter your Aadhaar number. You'll receive an OTP on the phone number linked with Aadhaar. Enter it to verify. Now, upload a photo of your bank passbook or bank statement that clearly shows your name, account number, and IFSC code. Make sure all the images you upload are clear and readable. Once done, check everything one last time and tap on Submit KYC. Your documents will be reviewed and it usually takes 1 or 2 working days to get verified. After approval, your account will be fully verified and ready for use. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to verify Uno account KYC process. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.